It's healthy, it's quick, it's delicious. It's fennel and pistachio salad. This salad consists of Granny Smith apple, Asiago cheese, pecorino romano, fennel, parsley, pistachio, lemon, and olive oil. This viral recipe is delicious, but I had to change one thing. So I saw this video from an Instagram account called Catherine Wants. My girlfriend showed it to me. She wanted me to make it. The salad looked delicious, so I thought, why not? Let's give it a try. I made it a few weeks back. It is in fact delicious, but I had to change one thing. Trying it, I'm giving it a go, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did, all right? Let's go. What I'm gonna do is start with the dressing. Now, this was the thing that threw me off when I made this salad for the first time, because supposedly in the video, they get you to put everything in the blender and blend it all together with the cheese and the pistachio and the lemon juice, but they put the olive oil in the blender. And for me, when I put the olive oil in the blender, the amount of olive oil that I needed to make a dressing was too much for the salad. I had pistachios in here, I had cheese in here, and I had lemon juice in here. And when you blend that together, it crumbles. And so that's what I did. And then I started pouring olive oil into it. And in the video, they have this nice smooth emulsion of olive oil, and it's like, looks like a dressing and it looks delicious. And I thought, wow, that's pretty smart. It looks awesome. When I tried to do that, I had to put like 2 cups of olive oil. And when I went to go put that on the salad, it just made the salad very heavy and full of, olive oil, too much fat. So what I decided to do was blend everything, the cheese and the pistachio, and keep it just like that, really small, and then dress the salad as normal with lemon juice and olive oil, just like I would dress any salad. All right, so check it out. You put the pecorino romano in the blender with the pistachios. So I'm gonna put a couple like that. Okay, so there I've got cheese and I've got pistachio. There you have this beautiful sort of crumble of cheese and pistachio, see? But there's no liquid in there. Okay, it's just cheese and pistachio. It's delicious. I want to start with the fennel. The fennel, if anyone doesn't know what fennel is, it's a vegetable that has a bulb like this. So you got all these beautiful tops, which we call fronds, fennel fronds, and the bulb of fennel on the bottom. We're going to use almost all of it. Separate the fronds from the bulb. Just take some of these tops and pick some of the fronds off them. Like this. You want to try to pick the fronds that are more tender. The fronds from the bottom that are smaller are a lot better than the ones at the top that are bigger. See the difference? These are the small fronds, these are the big fronds. These big fronds are a lot more chewy and bitter. They're less enjoyable to eat. These small ones are actually what you want, all right? So take all those and set them to the side. You got your fennel. This is the sort of the shoots that come up from the bulb at the bottom. What I'm gonna do is just take this bit of fennel here, go like this. I don't wanna go too high up. The higher up you get, the more thicker the skin is, all right? Fennel's got this delicious texture and this really powerful aroma. It smells like anise, like licorice, and it's really good for you. It's really healthy for you to eat raw. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly suggest you go buy some because it's super delicious. The rest of the fronds, I saved some for the top. The rest of the fronds, just knock them down a little bit, like that. Boom. Next, pick some parsley, only leaves, no stems, and don't pick big, thick, woody leaves. Just pick sort of young and tender leaves. Same idea with the fennel. It's really dark green and big. It's too woody. It's not enjoyable to eat raw. Any herb like this, you want to pick it when it's young, fresh, soft, and delicate. It's just so much better to eat. That's enough parsley. You don't have to go crazy. Next, fennel. Just sort of cut the base off and pull off those outside layers. If they're really damaged and dry, get rid of them. Take the fennel, cut it in half. Okay, I want to cut it just like this, straight down. Okay, so so good. This is a vegetable that a lot of Italians eat this at the end of their meal raw. The idea is that it helps with digestion. It's almost like an onion. It's got layers that go all the way through to the center. The very center is the most tender part of it, right here. That right there is like the heart of the fennel. And that is so good. It's so sweet. It's so delicious. Yeah, nice and thin. Next, Granny Smith apple. Granny Smith apple in. We've got apple, we've got our fennel, we've got our parsley, we've got our fennel frond. Now what we're gonna do is take this cheese and pistachio mix that we made earlier, Just knock that in there. Then, lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. Do not buy pre-juiced lemon juice, whatever you do. If you learn anything from this video, just do not buy pre-juiced lemon juice. Olive oil. Salt. Pepper. Now we're just going to give this a dress, taste, and see where we're at. Need some more olive oil, more lemon juice. Perfect. Now, take your Asiago cheese. Asiago. A little bit more fennel. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a fennel and apple salad that will blow your balls off. It's clean, it's balanced, fennel's fresh. The cheese gives you that mouthfeel. Pistachio gives you that nuttiness. Lemon juice cuts through everything. Apple gives you some sweetness. It's a delicious salad through and through. If you want to see me cook another viral recipe, just let me know in the comments. Follow, subscribe, hit the like button. More to come.